Rain on the Roof, poem third. This is the stanza first, contain first image of the poem, and stanza second contain second image of the poem, and stanza third contains third image of the poem. Now we will enjoy the poem. So, third poem of class 9th, Rain on the Roof. In this poem, sky is cloudy, it is raining on the roof. Poet is in his house on the bed, he is sleeping and listening voice of the rain. Then what ideas he get in his mind, he wrote down in the poem Rain on the Roof. Now let's enjoy the poem. When the humid shadows hover, when the humid shadows hover, when the humid shadows hover, hover over all the starry spheres and the melancholy darkness gently weeps teary fear. Rainy tears, what a bliss to praise the pillow. What a bliss to praise the pillow. Praise the pillow, praise the pillow. Poet used figure of speech, alliteration, repetition of p. Praise the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening. Again he used alliteration, lie listening. To the patter of the soft rain overhead, when the humid shadows hover, every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart. Each sound of each drop of the rain create echo in heart of poet who is sleeping in his bed, and a thousand dreamy fancies. Second image, thousand dreamy fancies into busy being start and a thousand recollections. हजारों यादें weave their air thread into the womb as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Whoop, 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 whoop. Now in the third image, now in memory comes my mother. In third image, poet remembers his mother. He comes, used to come to awake him in childhood days. Now his mother is no longer, she has died. But he get ideas in his mind of his mother when he is listening the echo of the rain. Now in memory comes my mother as she used in years agone regard the darling dreamers she left them till the dawn or feel her ponder on me as I listen to the refrain which is played upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Now you have to as a homework, write down 3 images created by the poet in this poem. What image he created in first stanza, what image he created in second stanza, and what image he created in third stanza. This is your homework. Thanks.